to the channel. It is 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. I will be recording some of these amazing fireworks from my view. What the? They're not going high. Whoa! What's up, mate? Bro, you're insane. Oh. These fireworks are very good from where we live. It's really good from here. Come on, where did they go? Oh, there they are. Oh. Whoa, that one was cool. Whoa. Let me just zoom in and do this. Oh, this will look sick. Oh, that's sick. Oh, that's sick. Whoa, it's red. Whoa, that one was really cool. Oh, that one's nice. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Without further ado, peace out.